Right, here we are at Seaford. So, we've come to Seaford, I've got my dinghy. And I've come with these two likely lads, Aram and Pete. Hello Pete, how you doing?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Yeah.
Very cheery today.
Yeah, we are now, we're at the boat with you.
There we are, see, this is the effect I have on people. Right, so it's been a while this video. Let me turn this round. Me and Aram have fished at Seaford and blanked. We've had a session at Galloway's and blanked, and we've had a session at Fairlight in Sussex and blanked. So 3 blanks. We've decided to get the dinghy, come down to Seaford, see if we can get some plaice, see if we can get some Black Bream or anything. So we're here about high tide now. They're chatting about God knows what. Look at them. Having an argument already, and we're not even on the boat. So we're going to set the boat up now, and we're going to get out there, probably a kilometre maybe, drop anchor, and start fishing. So let's get the boat set up. Alright, so we've got the boat in the water. We're, what do you reckon? Kilometre?
Yeah,
a mile.
Yeah.
No, a mile?
A mile.
Yeah,
Mile, yeah, maybe, yeah, I'm saying a mile offshore. We're in about, what, 10 to 15 metres of water?
Yeah,
we haven't got a
12,
fish
15.
finder. Haven't got a fish finder yet, it hasn't turned up. Bank holiday post. So we are fishing a bit blind, but we're going to drop some baits down, see if we can find some fish, plaice, Black Bream. Pete's going to fish at the bow end there. There he is.
Up the sharp end.
Up the sharp end. Aram's off there, and I'll show you the rigs we're using in a minute. Here we are at Seaford, and that's is that Burling Gap over there, Pete? Would be, wouldn't it? Yeah, Burling Gap, just round the corner there with the cliffs on. Is that going in the video?
It's not going in the video.
He's talking about dating sites. Anyway, we are just setting up our rigs. I'll just quickly show you. I mean, I have not fished off dinghies before. So
That's
these rigs. Oh, once. Sorry, I fished off a dinghy once. But what we're using, we've got a 3-hook rig. It's difficult to show everything.
We got pulled up by border
But
control.
What do you want,
But
mate?
what I've got is on the bottom,
sorry.
on the bottom hook snood. Let me see it down here. We've got worm with some beads to see if we can get some plaice. Then we've got 2 snoods above it with bits of mackerels. See if there's Black Bream around. It's a bit of a mess down here, but it's basically just a 3-hook, 3-hook like dropper rig.
Where'd you get these rigs, mate?
This homeless lodger that's just crashing and taking over my place.
What, you made them?
Yeah,
At least he does something in return.
well, I suppose, yeah. That's all right. I pay all the bills and buy all the food.
That's not I think that definitely needs editing out.
Oh, I don't know who does.
I think someone else paid the bills last month. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, mate. Thank
Look
you,
at
mate.
these two ganging up,
Hey.
bloody ganging up.
And he can't swim.
And he can't.
And that's my life jacket.
Yeah, well, it better work. It better not be
It's funny,
sabotaged.
And it's funny when it's the boat owner that can't swim.
Anyway, let's get some fishing done.
Where are you pointing, though? That
That
way.
one, yeah.
So I need to be this side of the road.
All right, mate.
Do I need a here now?
What?
Don't dig in this.
Well, you just have to get it there.
Right. Does it need a little gentle flick or?
No, I'll just drop it, mate. I would. Let it go. Hoping so, mate.
Aram? Oh, right. No, sorry, it's just thinking.
Can't feel it now.
Maybe it's fluffy then.
Nice if it's a flatty. Is there anything there? Yeah, something there. It's a flatty.
Yeah, flatty.
Little flatty there. Oh, a place.
Nice.
Nice, well done, old mate.
Yeah. Nice. First fish.
Well done.
Place, and that's a keeper, I think.
Why not?
Yeah, that hook's down there.
You
It's
got
cool.
the measurer.
I will measure it in a minute.
What's the minimum?
27.
27, that'll cut 27, I'll tell you now. You don't need to measure it.
Let's just double check it. Once the juices will go everywhere. Let's see what that does. Yeah, these are 30 centimetre.
Okay.
Nice.
Well done,
Good
mate.
start.
Good
Good
start.
start, but he's swallowed that. Oh, thanks, mate. He has completely swallowed that. Great. What do I do with this, mate? Do you want a hand?
Well buried.
It's buried. Is it not out of the ground yet then?
Not yet.
Got it?
Yeah, I think that looks rough. Feel free to put the rope in the bucket, Greg.
Oh, sorry. I said, do you want a hand? You were like, no.
I thought you meant with this.
Phil, tell me then.
Well, it goes without saying, surely.
No, it doesn't.
No.
No.
It doesn't.
You
You
have-
can't see me go like this and then go.
No. You can tell me if you want something done, otherwise I will do nothing. That's how it
At
works.
least you.
Why work if I don't have to?
Gotta be careful with that chain.
I know, mate.
Right.
Got it?
Should be somewhere there. Now you need to reach over.
I bet there's good fish around that wind farm out there. Oh, bite. Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hold
I
on,
can
mate.
see that. Yeah, nice one, mate. See the tip shaking.
Nice place there, mate. Got it?
That's a lovely fish.
Nice place, mate.
Well done.
Here. You alright? You want to hold it up a bit higher? That's a good place, mate.
Oh,
What?
Come off.
yeah. Definitely.
So I hold it better.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Hang on, let me just video this a bit. So, let me go, watch me. Right, so we've moved a bit further out and a bit further east, and Aram's just had this on the first drop. Nice, lovely place. It's going to make a lovely dinner, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, it's going to make a lovely dinner. Yeah.
Yes.
It's the right size for my platefuls.
Oh, well, I need a couple more of them to fill mine. We've had a couple of plates. Pete's just had something hooked, but it was big. I don't know if it was a ray on there or something. But it's come off, so we're going to bait up and go back down again. Well done, mate. What, mate? You want a pair of lips?
he's quite happy with anything at the moment.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Oh, oh,
No?
Well, that's still on it.
Yeah?
Yeah, whatever it is. Got it, Pete. Yeah, you got it.
I don't know if he has, mate.
Yeah, he's got him.
Got him?
yeah, I think so. Good fry.
Come on, start. Got him, mate?
If I ain't, I don't know what.
Right. Pete's just had a place. Luckily, I started the video just after the
Incident.
the profanities. Pete thinks it's alright to start swearing and stuff. There we are, another place. That's a keeper. Good keeper. We got one each. Let's hope get a few more.
That was a good nudge. Then.
Good nudge on that, Pete, was it?
Yeah, it was a good one. Then.
I'll give you a good nudge if you keep catching fish, mate.
Yeah.
So 3 down,
3 down, 3 to go.
17 to go. We're about halfway down the tide now. We're about 3 hours after high. Oh, I've just had a bite. That's gone very slack on that. What's that?
We've turned.
It
Look,
does
the
go.
ropes,
Oh, has it turned?
the rope's there again.
It does go
Oh,
slack
yeah.
a little bit, and then.
All right. So we've been on this mark about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Pete's had a place and Aram's had a place. And we're going to give it a little bit longer, see if we get any more. They're on worm bait, so I've moved over to squid and mackerel on the bottom hook. But I haven't had a bite at all, so I think I might go back to worm baits and see if we can get some more place out. But it is a lovely day out on the ocean.
Pete's got him.
You get him, Pete? Yeah, I can see that, mate. Yeah. mate. Your knot's got caught, that's all. Oh, on the second hook, mate.
Second hook?
Yeah. It's a little one. But well done, mate. Well done, mate.
Keep or not?
Nah, it's a bit too small, mate, that one. Whatever. Place him in, Pete, if you can. Right in front of the camera. Pretty cool. Right, so this one's going back. There, mate. Where you went. You got one? Got a bite.
Well, it might have something to do with the fact that I helped put fish.
Got it?
You got him?
Yeah,
Because I had a bite at the same time. Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah, yes.
Doesn't feel like Plaice, that doesn't, mate. Oh, get that camera on that, mate.
If it is.
Oh, get that camera on that.
What, this?
Yeah.
How do you put it on?
On the top button, just press that.
This?
No, the top silver one. Press it hard. That's it. There you go. Should go beep. Have a look. There you go. Lower it in. There might be a place somewhere.
It's a good fish.
Yeah, it's a good fish.
Quite a look at it.
Yeah, it's a good place.
Yeah, good place. Yeah.
It's a good place, mate. It's a good place.
Nice. Oh. Whoa, he's going again.
I don't know, mate.
Got it?
Got him. Yeah, I'm having a picture of him.
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's good, mate.
He has a good place. Well, we've been patiently waiting. I've just had a decent bite and there's a good place on there. I don't want to lose him over the side,
No.
but there, we lean him there. A nice place. That's a definite. What's that? That's a 40, innit? 40 centimetre.
We'll measure him in a minute.
We'll
mate.
measure him. We'll have a look, see what he's asked. But that's a lovely place. Gonna get a photo of him. Why can't I? Hold on. There we go. Right?
Yep. Well done. It's fine. Let him have it.
Anything, Pete?
The occasional little knot.
It's like. Right, well, Pete's just about to start the engine up. We've
Captain Pete, please.
Captain Pete. He's starting the engine here. Oh, here we go.
bit of chokers.
It's already got choke.
It's in
Oh,
neutral.
no.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
Wouldn't be able to pull it otherwise. There we are. Right, so we've got 4 plaice in the bucket. We haven't got a fish finder, so it is what it is at the moment. I have ordered one, should be on the way. And now on the way back, we're going to just go back in slowly and put some mackerel feathers out, see if we can get some mackerel on the way back in, and then pack the boat up and head off home. That hasn't been too bad, has it? Hasn't been too bad, has it?
Been alright.
It's been alright. It's been alright.
We've been fishing blind.
Yeah, fishing blind.
Still
We still got some fish.
dinner.
Dinner is in the
Can
buckets.
we see the dinner there? Dinner 1, dinner 2, dinner 3, dinner 4. You see that? Yeah? Dinner 1, dinner 2, dinner 3, and dinner 4.
Very nice, mate. Right, Pete. Pete's raring to go. Let's do this then, Pete. When you're ready, mate. There's Aram. We're just getting some mackerel
I don't know,
on
mate.
the way back. Here we are. Got a good string of mackerel there.
I think
Yeah, I can see some.
I lost a couple, but there's some coming.
I can see them coming in the back. 5, is it?
No, I lost a couple, so there's 3 on. 3.
They come, 3 mackerel there. Very nice, mate. Well done. Right, we're just gonna.
What was that?
What was that?
I don't know what that was. Oh, wasn't that?
Oh, moving his.
Right.
Yeah, right. We are just about to beach this. So,
Right with that. He's throwing a boxing ball in. Little stones.
she's got a dog in there. She's got a dog in the water.
I'm going to go to the left of her.
Yeah, go to the left
There's
of her.
someone swimming there.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to be very careful, mate.
Yeah, I'll just take it easy.
Well, yeah, we're just gonna have to jump out.
Right, in that case, I will manoeuvre the rope.
Just
Okay.
watch that dog, mate.
Yeah, I see the dog.
Alright.
So I'm going to go just to the left.
You want to lift that engine in a minute, mate?
Well,
Yeah. And I'll jump out, shall I?
Right, I'll chuck you the rope.
Hold on.
Yeah, so you can steady it with the rope.
Yeah. There we go.
You tell me if I have to cut the engine.
Right, cut the engine now.
Cut it
Cut the
and
engine.
lift it.
And lift it, lift it. Lift it. We're alright. You got it?
Perfect, that. That's perfect, Pete.
Well done, mate.
There you go, mate.
Right, you want to drop them wheels? Just hold on. There we are.
Just flick them down, mate. Take the lever out. There's 2 pins.
Right, we're out on the beach. We've just beached it. We're going to pack it down, give it a wash off, and then carry it back up to the car. All in all, quite a bad session to be out on the water. We caught some fish. It was a good fun. You enjoyed that, didn't you, gents?
Yes.
Was that good?
Yes.
Yeah.
We did enjoy that.
Good, good, good.
8 fish.
Oh, you're counting the mackerel? Of course.
Last time I checked, they weren't ducks.
They were not, they were fish. Oh dear. There we go. Anyway, once fish finder comes, we'll be a little bit more equipped to target the fish a bit better. We'll get this packed down. Yeah? You're quite happy falling asleep there, mate? I think all the air's out, mate. Especially with a beach whale on it. Well, there we are, packed up. All done. We'll clip them back in. And then we get ready for the next session.